Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add animated text to Instagram stories. If you're using Instagram and you want to add animated text to your Instagram stories, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app. Very first, I recommend you just have to go back, open your App Store and Play Store, go for search, and you have to try to update your Instagram app. So once you have updated your app, you just have to simply go back, open your Instagram app, and here just tap on this plus story option to create a new story, and here just tap on the camera option to record a story. Now here you can click a photo, or you can select any photo from your gallery, or you can also create your text only using this create option here. I'm going to select this one here, and now you just have to type your text. Let's say I'm gonna add this one. So once you have added your text here, you just have to tap on your text. Here from here you can select your font, or using this section you can select the background for your text. But here you just have to select this option to animate your text. Now you can select different animations from here. Here's the very first, here's the second one, and the third one. So you can easily select which one you want. And once you have done, just tap on this next option here, and then tap on your story to share is add your story. So in this way you can easily add animated text to your Instagram stories. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.